Students, we have learned that how we can find partial derivatives of two variables, that a function of xy. If we have given a function of xy, that is a function of two variables, we can find the partial derivative with respect to x and with respect to y. Now we will learn how to find the partial derivatives of functions of more than two variables. Suppose it is somewhat similar to the partial derivatives, of two variables. We can easily find out the partial derivative keeping other constants, other functions as constants. Suppose a function of x, y, z, more than two variables, f of x, y, z is given. We have to find fx, that is partial derivative with respect to x. Then we will find out the derivation with respect to x keeping the other variables, that is y and z, as constant, similar to the two variable partial derivative functions. So we'll do a problem. The question is find fx, fy and fz for the function if f of x, y, z equal to log x plus 2y plus 3z. So a function is given, f of x, y, z is equal to log of x plus 2y plus 3z. We have to find fx first. Fx means we are going to differentiate partially with respect to x, keeping y and z as a constant. So here fx, we are finding the derivative. So log of something, the derivative should be 1 by x plus 2y plus 3z. Now we have to find the derivative of x plus 2y plus 3z. Here y and z is a constant. Therefore, we have to find the derivative of x, that is nothing but 1. Therefore, the function is 1 by x plus 2y plus 3z. Okay. Now we will find fy. Fy, we have to keep z and x as a constant and differentiate with respect to y. So the derivative of log is 1 by x plus 2y plus 3z. Now the derivative, we are keeping, we kept x and z as a constant. Therefore the derivative is 0 and the derivative of 2y is 2. That is 2 by x plus 2y plus 3z. Okay. Now what is fz? We are differentiating first with respect to z. 1 by x plus 2y plus 3z, and we kept x and y as a constant. Therefore the derivative is 0 and therefore the derivative of 3z is 3. Therefore the function is fz is 3 by x plus 2y plus 3z. That is the answer of fx, fy and fz.